Oh yes. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be cooking for you one of my favorite vegetables. I'm gonna show you how to glaze carrots. How I glaze carrots. Beautiful. Super simple, super delicious. Excellent side dish with roasted chicken, roast beef, roasted turkey. Alright, let's glaze these carrots. Let's check out these ingredients up next. Alright, let's take a look at our ingredients for our glazed carrots. Carrots, of course, I got about 1.5 pounds. Salt, sugar, fresh ground black pepper, butter, fresh parsley, in a medium sauce pot. Alright, let's get them going. Alright, so our first step is peeling our carrots. Okay, now let me show you the cut. See if I can show you the cut here. So we're gonna cut the end, both ends of the carrot. Now, what we're gonna cut here is on the bias. And we're gonna cut on the bias right at about, you'll see. Well, right here, we're gonna give the carrot a quarter turn, and then do another cut, another quarter turn, another quarter turn, another quarter turn, and another quarter turn. So we end up with this cut right here. It increases our surface area where we get more roasting, more caramelizing and glazing. So we do this with all our carrots. Let's move on. Alright, so the pan is loaded with carrots, and this is how many carrots as you want in the pan, no more than this. So you want the majority of them touching the bottom of the pan. I may have two layers at the most. Okay? To that, I'm gonna add water to almost cover. You see the water coming up? About right there. I'm gonna hit it with some salt. Just a dash of sugar to bring out the sweetness in our carrots. Just a little bit, just like that. I'm gonna add almost 2 ounces of butter. And that's it. I'm gonna turn on the heat. I'm gonna bring her up slowly. The water's gonna simmer, and we're gonna just let her go. We're gonna let it simmer until the water evaporates. Which leaves the butter fat all by itself, and that's when the actual roasting and caramelizing is gonna happen. Once the water evaporates and the butter fat is left, that's when the magic happens. So let's let her go. She's on medium heat, and we'll keep an eye on it. Alright, as you can see, the water slowly coming up to a simmer. The butter still melting, looking very nice. Excellent. Alright, so the carrots have come to a gentle simmer. See it? It's not boiling, it's just simmering. And just want to let her go right now. Just gonna let her do her thing. Beautiful. Alright, so they've been on for about 15-20 minutes on low. The water's almost evaporated. We're almost there. So I'm going to turn it down just a little bit and let her go. We'll just keep an eye on it now. Alright, we're almost at that stage where the butter starts to brown the carrots. The water's almost gone. Beautiful. Just let her go nice and low, just exactly what she's been doing. Alright, beautiful. Now I'm going to gently give her a turn. Oh yeah, see that? See the browning happening? Oh my goodness, that's delicious. We're just going to let her go as we continue to add color to the rest of the carrots. Excellent. Alright, let's give them another turn. Beautiful. Alright, we're going to give them another turn. Oh yes. Now we're almost done. We are almost done. Just a little more color and we were almost done. They're looking beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. At this point, I'm going to lower the heat to low and let her do its thing. Wow. Those are beautiful. So now we're going to finish them off. Some fresh chopped parsley. We're going to kill the heat. Just going to toss them in freshly chopped parsley. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Well, it's that time. It's time for tasting. Alright, let's taste these glazed carrots. They are beautiful though, look at them. Oh, let's see. Yeah, that was delicious. The carrots braised in butter and salt, a little sugar to bring out the sugarness from the sweetness of the carrots. You could use honey or no sweetener. Sometimes carrots are sweetened enough just the way they are. And don't forget to just almost enough water to cover, almost. Let it simmer down. Let the butter fat show up. Brown the carrots, finish it off with some fresh parsley and salt if it needs it. So wow, thank you, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye everybody.